is not equal to 1. 2 is greater than 1. So therefore, we have to use our placeholder. So you see 0 is a placeholder. It holds the place. You see 1 is also equal to 1.0. Right? 1 equals 1.0. So we can add a 0 here. Not add a 0, but place a 0 on the right of the decimal point of 1. Now we're going to treat the division as if we were dividing 10 by 2 instead of 1 by 2. Now 2 goes into 10 5 times. And then we're going to multiply that 5 into 2 and subtract the result from our dividend, which is 10. It's 0. Now you cannot divide 0 by 2, so we know the division is done. So how that works here, we align our decimal points, keep your places aligned. Now we divide 10 by 2. 2 goes into 10 5 times. We multiply our quotient. Now here, 2 is our divisor. Ten is the dividend. 5 is the quotient. Now once we get to this step, once you divide your divisor into your dividend, once you see how many times it goes into your dividend, that number is your quotient. The next step is to multiply the quotient by the divisor and then subtract the result from the dividend. Now remember to keep your decimal places aligned and bring down your decimal point. 5 times 2 is 10. Now remember to write it in this form, and you always bring down your divisor. You're supposed to do it like that. 10 minus 10 is 0. They say that's impossible or undefined. That means your division is complete. The division is complete when the remainder is 0. Now some divisions, the remainder will never equal 0, therefore some divisions are never complete. They are simply approximations. Here, 1 divided by 2 equals 0.5. So if I was to write that in my answer here, we'll take account my decimal point. One divided by 2. Now we're going to do 1 divided by 3. Or 1/3. Now here, 1/3. We're going to say, how many times does 3 fit into 1? So 3 does not go into 1. 3 is greater than 1. This symbol here means greater than. Read from left to right. This symbol means, so if I place a number in front of this symbol, then I have a number in to the right of the symbol. The number to the left of the symbol is the number that's greater than the number to the right of the symbol. Now, 3 is greater than 1, so it does not fit into 1. Three does go into 10. So now we're going to treat this as a division by 10. 10 divided by 3. Now 3 goes into 10 3 times. It equals 9. So remember to keep our decimal points aligned. Now we multiply the quotient by the divisor and we subtract that result from the dividend.